everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the basic blending techniques of watercolor for the beginners. In first technique, I'm just getting some water on the brush and just going to apply it here. Never apply watercolor directly on the paper. Every time before applying the color, dilute it onto the palette. Now just bring the brush down from the top. Then I'm going to clean my brush, dry it off slightly and just blend it by dragging it down. In the second technique, I am doing the same thing with two different colors and gradient them together. Now in the third one, I am doing the same thing with three different colors as well. In this last technique, I am just getting some yellow in my brush and going to tap it on few places on the paper, and now doing the same thing with other colors. here I am adding some pictures to make the lesson more interesting. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. So hit the like button, do subscribe, and you can also share this video with your friends and family. See you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.